In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim a surface in Civil 3D. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control the visible extents of a surface, so your drawings are clean, focused, and ready for production. Start by opening your Civil 3D drawing and selecting the surface you want to work with. You can click it directly in the drawing or select it from the prospector if that's easier. Make sure you're looking at the correct surface, especially if your file contains multiple surfaces. It can help to use a surface style that displays triangles or borders so you can clearly see what will be affected. With the surface selected, go to the Surface menu, choose Edit Surface, and then click Boundary. This opens the command that lets you control which portions of the surface are kept or ignored. Trimming a surface isn't about deleting data, it's about applying a boundary that tells Civil 3D what to include or exclude in the display and calculations. Next, decide what kind of trim you need. If you want to clip the surface to a limit, say to match a property line or a project area, choose Add Outer Boundary. This keeps everything inside your closed shape and hides everything outside. If you need to remove an unwanted hole or gap inside the surface, choose Delete Inner Boundary. That option clears an interior boundary so the surface fills back in where it was previously hidden. Think of an outer boundary as a fence around the surface and an inner boundary as a patch that removes a hole. When prompted, select a polyline or any closed shape to define the boundary. For best results, make sure the shape is truly closed, doesn't self-intersect, and sits where you expect relative to the surface. If your boundary lines are separate segments, consider converting them to a single closed polyline before you start. Keeping the boundary on a visible layer also helps you verify it on screen. If you need a small buffer, consider drawing your boundary slightly inside or outside your target area for a cleaner edge. After you've selected the boundary, press Enter to apply. Civil 3D will rebuild the surface using your boundary choice. Take a moment to zoom and pan around the edge to confirm the trim looks right. If the result isn't what you intended, use Undo and try again with a corrected or different closed shape. That's it. You've trimmed your surface by applying a clear, controlled boundary, making your model cleaner and your drawings easier to read.